What's up mga ka-Erm? It's me again, yung ka-Erberto. Welcome back to my channel, Virtue. For today's video, we're going to eat here at Dongwon Garden Korean restaurant here at Lipster Street, Makati City.
Ah, iba naman pala to. Hindi, ano to.
Ilang table din.
Okay, so here are the menus. Unlimited set package A, 599, package B, 699, package C, 799. So, in order namin is package B. Yung kasama niya is last package B. Packer.
Set B kami. Package B kami. 2, 4, 6, 7 muna. Kapag wala kayong... Ate, wala yung...
Okay, side dish muna or appetizer, mga ka-Erm.
Ay, meron yun.
Pagdapak. Seldan nose.
Kasama yung macaroni.
Atak. Ito.
Ha? Parang wala.
Rice, okay.
Kanito fried rice.
Okay, this is kimchi rice.
Isa lang. Isa lang yan.
Fried rice.
Ako busog ka ng gusto.
Hindi ako man. Ayaw mo?
Wala pa silang plain rice.
Steam egg. Yung steam egg nila nakalagay nila sa ano.
Ay, ano mo kaya?
May apoy na.
May butay na ba? Okay, attack. Let's grill shrimp, mga ka-Erm. Okay, grilling time, shrimp, and yung mga meats, mga ka-Erm. Dongwon ne. Picture mo na ulit.
Sabi ni Santa, dito lang yung office. Thank you guys.
4-star out of 5 mga ka-Erm. Authentic Korean foodies with gift. Thank you, Boss D, and congratulations.
Thank you for watching mga ka-Erm. This is your ka-Erberto, your little small YouTuber, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and stay safe always mga ka-Erm.